Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a bootable flash drive for Windows 11 for unsupported hardware. So meaning we'll disable TPM and secure boot. So you would need two things, which is a blank flash drive above 4 gigs. Then you also want to have roofers, okay, of which you can just go on Google. You can even write download roofers, click on the first link. It should take you to the download page. Okay, so this is the app that we want to install. Then you want to click on the first one there. As you can see, it's for 1 megabyte. Okay, so now if we go to the folder where it has downloaded, double click on that, should open. Okay, so like that, the way it has opened. So I'll minimize my back, I'll minimize that. Okay, so now we have this software open. So get your flash drive, plug it into the PC. Okay, so once your flash drive is plugged into the PC, you will see it write the device name there and what is like the storage size. So mine is 16 gig. Then what you want to do here is click on select. So this select will help you look for your ISO image. Okay, so locate your ISO image. Okay, locate your Windows 11. Okay, so here I have my Windows 11. Then I want to select my ISO image, which is this one. Okay, so now my ISO image has been selected. Then as you can see here, there's this new option here which you could never see in the old versions of roofers. Then you want to click there and choose the one which says extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM and no secure boot. Select that one. Then depending on your partition size or your partition, you can choose either GPT or MBR. So if you don't know what that is, means GPT if you're using newer versions of like hardware like CPUs, like your BIOS type. Then MBR is for old systems. So if you know your system is old, just go with MBR like that, which is for BIOS systems. So now then once that is set, you can click on this start. Okay, so it will ask you to delete everything on the flash drive. Do you agree? Just say yes. Then it will start creating the partition. So once the partition is done, you see here to show you the start will be not grayed out, so meaning the flash drive is ready. Once it reaches 100%, then you can use the flash drive the way you would use a normal Windows 10 flash drive to load Windows 11. So this will bypass all the checks for TPM and secure boot. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future uploads.